Gravestone Doji. Now it looks like this candle mentioned on the right. Gravestone Doji is formed when the closing and opening prices are at the lowest of the day. They are at the lowest point of the day, and that's not a good side to be on. If it has a longer upper shadow, then it is a worrisome sign, worrisome signal, and a signal of a bearish trend. If it appears on or near the market top, then it's a reversal signal, because let's presume it's a bullish trend. Everyone is buying, everyone is bullish, but then everyone is buying, and then someone comes in and sells. He sells it to everyone who's a buyer, and he sells so much that the price comes on the opening. Now we all know, if you're bullish, you don't want the price to be on the open. You want the price to be like going up, making you money each and every day. But if the high is so long and it closes on the open, then it means a start of a reversal, and beware of that. Now let's look at Gravestone Doji on charts so that you can see how it looks on the real chart. Gravestone Doji. Now, as we discussed, it means problems. If it occurs on right at the top, it means a fall is coming. Example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here. If you look at it, it opened here at 174.35 and closed at the same rate, 174.35. But look at the high. The high is 175.61. That's $1.30. But it went down and closed on the low. This is not a good sign. Once it happens, it means a fall. And if you look at it, this open is 173.25. Not good. Let's move out. Yeah, right here. Another example is right here. If you look at it, it opened at 144.22, made a high of 145.46. Now, if you look at it from the low, this is the highest point, 145.46. But it closed at the exact open, 144.02, a bit lower, and went down. So it usually represents, if it happens right at the top, that a change in trend has happened. Now, why would you say a change in trend has happened? Because if it had gone up by $1.30, that's a percentage, 1% up. Now, after that, the fall should not come in. And even if a fall comes in, then there should be like buying coming in to make sure that it stops the fall. But once no buy comes in and it like closes near the open, then it means there is a serious problem, because the buyers were defeated on that day. And in a bull run, buyers should not be defeated by the sellers. And once this happens, then a fall is usually there. And if you look at it, it did fall after that. So this is a bullish reversal pattern. This is a pattern that signifies a reversal stuff. So whenever you see that, be vigilant. Thank you.